Hello friends, my name is Sachin. I'm a founder of Previse Studio Private Limited, Pune. Nursing education is a big concern in India. There are around 8,500 nursing colleges and 3,20,000 nursing students pass out every year. Educational infrastructure across these colleges is not uniform. Therefore, there are no facilities for the educators to teach essential topics in the classrooms. Secondly, the students are facing problems because they don't have any educational material to learn these essential topics at home. And the third important point is there are no mannequins available for all the students in simulation lab to practice the critical procedures. To solve this critical issue, Previse came up with the unique and innovative solution. We have developed a 3D and virtual reality technology based experiential learning modules which covers essential topics of nursing uh, for students as well as faculties and professionals. This essential nursing topic covers a fundamental of nursing which covers more than hundreds of procedures systematically step by step. Then we have a perioperative guidelines which covers the entire perioperative life cycle in the hospitals. And we have a human anatomy pro which covers 3,200 body parts of male and female across 10 different sections. Also, we have the fourth module which is a medical devices which covers more than 400 medical devices in five different sections, categories in Jaipur. Apart from that, we have given a demo presentation in four different nursing colleges, which is attended by more than 100 students, 30 faculties, and 5 principals. Every single student, faculties, and professional across India and even overseas through B2B, B2C, or through e-commerce marketplace. So I'm looking forward for the support for this noble cause. Thank you.